So, ito po yung ingredients natin. Yung isda, parsley, so yung tomato, onion, at saka garlic. Cut the tomato into circle. Also the onion, cut into circle. As you can see, there is a yellow part in the onion, and then you need to remove that one to avoid toxic. So by the time that I'm cutting or cleaning onion, I am removing the yellow thing in the center of the onion. Now we need 4 cloves of garlic. It's the same with onion. You need to remove the white thing inside the garlic because it's not nice when you mix it with while you're cooking. So it's really important to remove that one. This time we need olive oil for at least 5 spoons. So really, or maybe as you desire how many you want to put the oil, so that it will enough for the ingredients. It depends on how many fish you are going to cook. Now we will add the parsley. So and we're going to mix it with the olive oil, and you need to mix it well. Now we're going to add the garlic. As you can see, I didn't chop it. I used the squeezer, so we need the sauce and the small part of the garlic. See, you can see that one. So it's really fine. So when you add it together with the parsley and the olive oil, it really mix well, and you can't see the big chunk of the garlic. That's the olive oil, the parsley, and the garlic. So we need to mix it well, very well, so that it will combine all the ingredients, and then you add salt according to the taste that you really want it. If you think it's not enough olive oil, so you just add it on. Now I will add salt. So it depends if you're really salty or not salty. So it depends on you how many quantity of salt you want to put in. We're going to put some oil in the container. So and then spread it out everywhere, so that the ingredients that we're going to put inside will not stick on it. This time we're going to put the ingredients inside. So first I put the tomato. Then after that, after putting the tomato, so I will add the onion on top of the tomato. Then see, so I place everything, the tomato. So next is the onion on top. It's the same, just put everywhere. Now I will add the white pepper. So it's depend how you wanted to put or how many quantity you want to add on. So after that, the salt. So I will put a little bit salt only because I already use salt for my sauce with the olive oil, the parsley, and the garlic. So and then after that, you add water so that it will not burn when you bake it. Yeah, not too much water. This time we will put the fish on top of the tomato and the onion. So as you can see what I am doing, so you just put on top. So again, this is the sauce. You mix it first before adding on the top of the fish. So you just spread on top of the fish all the sauce. That's it, it's finished. So we need to bake it for at least 15 minutes. And here we go, it's already cooked, so it's time to eat. So I hope guys you like it and please try, it's really nice and simple.